Do you like bacon, eggs, potatoes? If you do, then you'll really enjoy making and eating this dish for your next Saturday morning breakfast. This potato, bacon, and egg breakfast skillet is one of my favorites. It's easy to make and it's guaranteed to fill you up and have you ready for the day. Here's what you'll need. Half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of chives, 2 medium-sized potatoes, 3 eggs, 3 to 5 slices of cheddar cheese or half a cup of shredded cheese, and 3 strips of bacon. Let's get started. First things first, whip or beat the eggs until the egg whites and yolks appear evenly distributed. Basically, we're making scrambled eggs for this dish. Set the eggs to the side and begin peeling and dicing the potatoes. I recommend cooking the potatoes, eggs, and bacon separately before bringing everything together in the end. This is to make sure that nothing gets overdone or too greasy while cooking. The bacon and potatoes will take about the same amount of time to cook thoroughly. So, let's start cooking these two first. Set the bacon skillet to medium heat. It is important not to cook the bacon too hot and fast. A longer cook at a lower temperature will ensure that the bacon is cooked evenly and becomes completely crispy throughout. Add olive oil to the potato skillet and begin cooking on medium heat. Flip and turn the potatoes periodically so they will cook evenly and not stick to the bottom of the skillet. To keep the potatoes from becoming too dry or too hard on the outside, add just a little water when they're about halfway done. Check and flip the bacon strips until both sides are cooked well and evenly. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes before the bacon and potatoes are fully cooked. When the bacon and potatoes are done, turn off the bacon skillet and turn the potato skillet down to low heat. We want to keep the potatoes nice and hot while we cook the eggs. The heat will be necessary when we combine everything and top with cheese. Crush the bacon into bits and cook the scrambled eggs. Combine the eggs and bacon bits with the potatoes. Layer with cheese and add a few chives. Let everything sit for a few minutes so the cheese can melt. Now, grab a plate, serve, and enjoy.